English Shadow Podcast.
Hey, my friends, this is Daniel, and welcome back to the English Shadow Podcast. Quick question. Do you translate in your head before you speak? Do you build the sentence in your first language and then try to move it into English? If that happens to you, you're not alone. Many learners understand a lot, but translation slows them down. Today, I'll show you how to think in English so your words come faster and your speaking feels natural. As always, I'll speak slowly and clearly so you can shadow me. Listen, repeat, and match my rhythm and voice. Let's begin. Here's the key idea. Translating is like taking a long, busy road. You start in your language, you search for English, you check grammar, and only then do you speak. That road is full of traffic. Thinking in English is a short, quiet street. You go straight from idea to English words. No detour, no traffic. Our goal is to use that short street more and more every day. First, keep your sentences simple and short. Simple English is powerful English. Say what you mean with basic verbs and clear order. Subject, verb, object. I need coffee. I'll call you after lunch. Let's meet at 6. When the sentence is short, your brain doesn't run back to your first language. It stays in English. Next, create small English-only moments. Choose tiny windows in your day, 5 minutes while you cook, 3 minutes during your walk, 1 minute before sleep. In that window, no translation is allowed. You can describe what you see, what you hear, what you plan to do. I'm chopping onions. The pan is hot. I'm adding salt, just a little. Tiny moments. Repeat it often. Train your brain to stay in English. Also, build islands of fluency, little clusters of phrases for your real life. For example, the morning island. First, I make coffee. Then I check messages. After that, I start work, or the work email island. Thanks for your message. Please find the file attached. Let me know if you have any questions. When you have islands ready, you can jump from one island to the next without translating the ocean in between. Another habit, use English to explain English. When you forget a word, don't run to your first language. Stay here and describe it. It's like a small bag for coins. A wallet. It's the thing you use to change TV channels. The remote. It's a machine that keeps food cold. A fridge, this skill is called circumlocution. It keeps your brain in English and makes conversations flow. Try the 1-minute photo talk. Open a photo on your phone. Speak for 1 minute about only what you see. No story, no opinion, just the picture. There's a red bike next to a tree. The sky is cloudy. A woman is holding a yellow umbrella. Then do a second round for 1 minute. Now add opinion and feeling. I like the colors. It looks peaceful. I think it's early morning. This trains your eyes and your words to connect directly in English. Switch to a learner-friendly monolingual dictionary for common words. Read simple definitions in English. Short sentences, easy synonyms, examples. When you learn a new word, write a quick personal line with it. Commute. I commute 30 minutes by bus. Repeat it out loud 3 times. Close your eyes and say it again. Make the sound of the word part of you. Shadowing can help you stop translating too. Choose a short clip with clear audio. Listen once, then play it again and speak with the voice half a second behind, copying rhythm and stress. After that, pause line by line and repeat alone. You are teaching your mouth a new music. When your mouth knows the music, your brain stops reaching for your first language. Build a small set of rescue phrases so you never freeze. Sorry, what's the word for? It's like, you use it to... Let me say it another way. 1 second. I'm looking for the word. These lines buy you time and keep you in English while your brain searches. Finally, celebrate small wins. Maybe today you did 3 minutes with no translation. Maybe you explained a word using English only. Maybe you sent a short message without checking a translator. These are real victories. Fluency grows from many small wins, not one big jump. Okay, today on the English Shadow Podcast, we focused on thinking in English instead of translating. Short, clear sentences, tiny English-only moments, islands of fluency, describing words you don't remember. 1-minute photo talks, monolingual definitions, shadowing rhythm and rescue phrases. Use your voice every day. Keep it simple. Keep it consistent. This is the English Shadow Podcast, and I'm Daniel. Keep speaking and keep believing in yourself. Bye for now.